Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Up to Maine we go. Pack it up. You smell it?
The ocean.
Can you smell the ocean? When you don't live near the ocean and then you're going towards the ocean and you're just like, you get close and everyone in the car, oh, I definitely smell the ocean. I smell the ocean. It's not just the ocean.
It's the ocean.
It's the ocean. Sometimes when you don't have things at your fingertips all the time, it's really exciting when you finally get it at your fingertips. So we're gonna dip our toes in the water.
Why not our fingertips?
Our fingertips in there, actually. You could just, you dip your fingertips and nothing else.
Okay.
Made it to the beach. Creepy, dude. This guy ripping. He wants the first wave. We got a surfboard on there, as if we didn't have enough bags to carry. Had to get a chair. We didn't have a chair. Lobster. Get it? It's not 120. Welcome to Old Orchard Beach. You gotta get out there and get the waves though, dude. It's cold. And you gotta dive forward in front of it so the white part pushes you. Can you handle that? There it comes. Well, that kind of worked, dude. Yeah, dude. Holy crap! You good? Better eat it before the seagulls do, Dre. Those fried pickles. I want some. You can't eat them all anyways.
Good.
What?
They're good.
Good? Hey, Rye. How's pizza? Good. Busy beach day. Busy out here.
Did you see that crash? I was standing up and I fell backwards.
What did?
I was standing up on this and I fell backwards.
Oh, you're trying to stand up on it?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk? You want to go for a walk and we can walk onto the pier?
Yeah, sure.
How do people do that?
Oh, you should have hung out up here. Look, there's a cool spot. A dog! It's a nice sled you got there, buddy. Hey, hold on, hold on. Go.
Mush.
Go.
Mush.
Fine.
Go. Aya.
Pull her.
You're boring.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy saves the day.
Always.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? It's alive. It wants to... You know what? I'm gonna be the good guy here. Sorry, Katy Perry. After all that time of cleaning them up, you're gonna walk barefoot? It'd be awesome if Dre, come on. Grow up. There's people. There's people. They're looking. They're looking.
Why is my car the dirtiest goddamn?
You suck. Being a spontaneous trip to the ocean. There wasn't a lot hotels near the ocean, so we 5 miles away, so we just drove back, rinsed out our butt cracks, got the sand from our drawers, headed back to the area, maybe hit some rides, mini golf, gonna get some food. Gonna get some food, right? You wanna go eat some food? That's all we're doing tonight. How's it looking there? Oh, you wanna punch it? Punch and punch and punch. Right, you can't even reach it. The ball's here. Can you reach that?
You're gonna have to go.
So you get to pick if you want to use the big darts or the little darts.
Ooh.
And then you'll throw the 3. The smaller target you hit, so like these small circles, are going to be the biggest prizes. And then the top row and the medium circles are going to be these prizes here. And the big circles are going to be these prizes at the bottom.
Make sure it's a good throw, right? Oh, close. Oh, man. Oh, missed them all.
Well, since you tried your
Sinker.
hardest and you got the $8, you can pick from these prizes or any of these.
Ooh. You didn't get that, so we get to carry it around for the rest of the day?
Yeah.
You want the ball? That's a cool ball. All right.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you. The old Palace Playland. Ah! That one looks fun. What? I don't know. That looks fun over there, though. You want to do that?
Yes.
I want to do that one.
That's what I just said.
That. Dream wants to do that. Yeah, do you? It looks barely tall enough. Looks it from here. Second to last car. Dre and Kayla going on the adrenaline. Oh, I can smell Dre's feet from here. You smell them? They stink. How'd it go?
She's like,
Yeah?
oh my god.
Was it? That's fast.
One of the kids across from us was like, I'm scared. I just ate 4 pieces of pizza. I'm like, don't you dare.
He said I might.
Jungle adventure. It must be new. Some glow-in-the-dark golf. Oh, come on.
I got a strategy.
Yeah?
Get it to the hole.
Yeah, get it in the hole. Good strategy. Disappear. Oh! Good strategy. You bumped Dre out of the way too. End of a busy beach day, fun day, ride day, whatever. Tomorrow.
Well watching.
Tomorrow we're going whale watching. couple years ago we came up, didn't see any whales, so they gave us a little voucher. So hopefully we're gonna see some whales. Okay, you gonna catch a whale? Good. Hopefully we see a whale. See you in the morning. Who else would look at this sign and start singing, you know what? Right, Dre?
That's a boat.
That's not the boat. The one in the back is past the ramp. Wow, it is super low. That's crazy. Welcome to Kennebunkport. Cute little seaport area. Feel the water's so low. So low. Ripping.
What time do we leave?
In 40 minutes. Oh, you can see little clams, beer cans, dirt, mud, seaweed, bubbles, poop.
Look at the poop, look at the poop. You see the poop, Dad?
Oh, it's nice. Nice little area to have some nice breakfast. Work it, work it, woo! Okay.
They're looking at you.
Yeah.
Still looking at us.
Look at that, look at Titanic. Cheesy beers. You're bumping all over the place, dude. Come on, Ryan. I want to see a whale. I want to see a whale. The guide said we're in the whale territory. Over there, tuna boats. And the whales like to eat some tuna, so they could be in the area. Come on up. How do you think you'd call a whale? Close.
Come on. Gina, I'm not videoing.
Can't see. I can see it through your fingers, Sabrina. Oh, what is that, dude? Yeah, there's something right there.
Right here in the water. It's still there.
Did you see something?
You see it? It's right there
It's in the
still.
water. Yeah, he said a sunfish. What's a sunfish?
That's a weird.
Well, that's about all the excitement. Yeah, something. Look, the ramp. Remember, we walked down that steep ramp. Now it's flat.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Crazy. Now it's deep
And then this
and not
one
brown and poopy.
Well,
Yeah.
this one up is wide.
Yeah. Once again, went on a whale watch. Saw no whales, but still, good time, good family getaway. I just thought of this the other day. It's probably a saying, but I've never heard of it before. But make time in life. Don't make up time. You want to go do something, just go do it. Don't let it go by because you don't want to regret time wasted and have to make up that time. Just make time to do the fun things with family, friends, yourself. And until the next time, guys,
Stay happy, stay weird. Peace.
Peace.